Your cat's eulogy deserves to be as special as they were. Here's how to write the perfect tribute. Keep it personal. Include their quirks, like their 3 a.m. zoomies or that weird meow that sounded like a squeak. Mix in funny moments with the heartfelt ones. Remember how they helped with taxes by sprawling across important papers. Tell their story chronologically or focus on their best personality traits. Short and sweet works, but longer tributes let you share more memories. Most importantly, write from the heart. Your cat may be gone, but the love you shared will always be part of your story.